Hello everyone, my name is Drashti Gajera. I am study at Ravensbourne University in a project management course. Today I am making a video with on my journey with a principle of project management subject, and I am excited sharing the journey with the charity name is online gaming. The online gaming is a online gaming fund charity to fundraiser for education was designed in design dynamic and initiative to harness the popularity of online and traditional games such as a vehicle for philanthropic impact, said the video say, and said the Ravensbourne University Auditorium Hall. The event aimed to raise at least 5,000 support in the underprivileged children by providing with the books, stationaries, and scholarship. Combining the underprivileged with empty, the event leveraged gaming culture to engage the student, staff, and broader audience through competitions, merchandise sales, and cultural exchange. This reflection offers insights. This reflection offers insights into the planning, execution, and leadership involved in the event. It evaluates the challenge faced, the strategic employed, lessons learned, and how the experience influenced my understanding of project management and leadership in a practical context. Uh, uh, many challenges faced like technical risk and IT dependency, limited budget and resource constraints, and volunteers readability and time management, and uncertain participation rates. And in a technical risk and IT dependency, one of the biggest concerns was maintaining seamless internet connectivity and functioning of the gaming consoles and AV systems. The high reliance on technological introducts the vulnerability, especially considering the live streaming elements and multiplier online games, limited budget and resource constraints in operating on a estimated budget of 2,750 pound, required tight control over costs, sourcing quality equipment, and producing merchandise while ensuring affordability for participants was challenging. And volunteer repeatability and time management in coordinating student volunteers during an already busy academic week lead to last minute dropouts and rescheduling. uh, as the event neared, maintaining a containing level of energy and commitment become harder. In and another uncertain participation rates in a we were ensued whether the event would attract enough participants, given that it was a scheduled short time window, and amidst other concurrent charity events. Low turnout could jeopardize financial targets and morale. Otherwise, in a strategic employed to address these challenges, we implemented several proactive strategies aligned with leadership principle and project management frameworks, like like risk mitigation through continuation adjacency planning, and sponsorship and cost effectiveness, team coordination via RACM metrics and agile communication, and fourth is marketing comparison and engagement tactics, and fifth is volunteer motivation and support, in a risk mitigation through contingency planning. In a we developed as a risk matrix that helped we developed as a risk matrix that helped us anticipates and respond to possible disruptions. For instance, we secured a dedicated internet line through the university's IT department and prepared backup consoles and technical support staff on standby. Second one is sponsorship and cost effectiveness. In to stretch our limited budget, we reached out early to response. Our sponsorship and finance officers played a pivotal role in negotiations, merchandise discount, and securing small grants from local business. And otherwise in volunteer motivation and support, we created a support volunteer environment by offering flexibility shifted slots and recognizing their effort through efficient service certificates. The volunteer manager also offered quick training and shadowing opportunities for late joiners, insights gained in a project provides several eye-opening insights into the dynamics, stakeholders, communication, and adaptive leadership. in a many type of the power of inclusive planning. Leadership as empowerment, not control. Leadership is empowerment, not control. And third one is the value of measurability objectives, smart goals. And for one is the necessity of technical preparedness. First one is the power of inclusive planning in collaborating with stakeholders, including university departments, and student council, and charity partners, vital regular engagement enhanced our ability to meet university and regulation and accommodate technicals need efficiently effect technical we needs effectively. In second one is leadership as a empowerment, not control. In using a collaborative leadership style, encourage the team members to contribute their ideas freely, boosting morals and forecasting ownership, and the necessity of technical preparedness in a take a heavy event. Even more glitches can derail the experience. And this thought us that preparedness directly correlates with participation certification in influence and in influence and perspective. This project expanded my understanding of leadership from a theoretical concept into a tangible real world application. It reinforced the importance of emotional intelligence in managing team dynamics, especially when navigating pressure or conflict. And I also developed a deeper appreciations for projectization structures where dedicated roles and reporting channels empower a team to focus exclusively no one initiatives, and this approach dropped beneficially in driving timely decisions and fostering accountability, and moreover the uh, experience challenged my assumptions about the charity fundraising process, and previously viewed it as a primarily donation based, but I know realize the power of experience driven fundraising, where engagement and purpose combined to create lasting impact. Finally, I learned that successful events are much about managing people and expectations as they are about extensions. Um, the charity in a conclusion, the online gaming charity fundraiser to for education event was a powerful example of using creativity, collaboration, and strategic planning to make a meaningful impact despite facing technical and uh, technical budget and logistically challenges. We successfully met key goals by adopting a proactive leadership style and employing structured project management techniques. And this reflection has cemented the importance of clear communication and adaptive planning and stakeholders engagement in delivering complex projects. And moving forward I feel more confident in my ability to manage diverse terms, handle pressure with agility, and drive projects from conceptions to completion with a purpose and present with a present. Thank you.